Everyone says the Peak District has some of the best motorcycle routes in the UK, so I decided to find out for myself. I planned a route that would take me through the most iconic paths: Matlock Path, Chatsworth, Bakewell, Monsal Head, Eyam, Idale, Snake Pass, Lady Bower Reservoir. These are famous viewpoints, historic villages, legendary roads, and eventually Snake Pass. Simple enough, except somewhere along the way, that route sent me down a road my bike had absolutely no business being on. And for a moment, I genuinely wasn't sure how I was getting out. So the question is, did I accidentally find the ultimate Peak District motorcycle route? Or was this whole thing a terrible idea? Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
There you go. Let's get going. So here we are. It's been 45 minutes since I left Nottingham, and Matlock Path is just stones away. 10-15 minutes to reach there. Tank is completely full. I have to do around 160 miles of total, so I'm not just gonna do Matlock Path. I'll be covering a lot of things in Peak District. So brace yourself, it's gonna be a fun day. So first stop is Heights of Abraham, and it's just the start. Look at this greenery, man. There's a river flowing there. I just cannot fathom how beautiful this really is. And exploring this on a bike absolutely feels surreal. So we are at Biker's Pilgrimage, Matlock Path, and Heights of Abraham is around here as well. I think all the bikers are still yet to come. Sorry for my disheveled appearance and helmet hair, but we have reached Matlock Path. We are currently at a Matlock station and I'm at a parking lot. I wanted to go to Heights of Abraham, but I don't think there's a point. It's a cable car that will take you to a tour, for complete tour of the valley. The name actually comes from Canada. In 1759, British General Wolfe scaled the cliffs of Quebec to fight the Battle of the Plains of Abraham. The dramatic landscapes of this Derbyshire hilltop reminded people of that famous site, and the name stuck. But the true history of this hill goes back much further. Long before it was a park, it was an industrial complex. The Romans were the first to extensively mine this limestone for lead. By the 1780s, the mining was winding down. Entrepreneur Stephen Simpson saw a different potential.
He enclosed the land and created a savage garden. The steep climb became legendary, even conquered by a young Princess Victoria on a donkey. The biggest transformation, however, came in 1984. The Buck family introduced the UK's first alpine cable car system. This solved the historic access problem forever, replacing the steep hike with a scenic ride and transforming the heights into the accessible 60-acre estate visitors enjoy today.
People have been mining lead here since the Roman time, which means people around here are climbing these valleys, these mountains since 2000 years before motorcycle. How crazy is that? So I'm going next to Chatsworth. Gonna be a good run, and I'll show you around how Chatsworth is. Let's go. So this was Heights of Abraham for you guys. Still can't believe they used to mine here. This place used to exist even when the Romans were here. So I am on my way going further up to Chatsworth. So there's gonna be some fun roads ahead. So I'm gonna enjoy a bit of these roads on this beautiful machine. It was taking me to that off-road patch. I don't think my bike would be able to go there, would it? Okay, so my map shows this is the way, 1.6 miles away. I've got on-road tire and this is a freaking cafe racer. I'm not sure if I should do this, but inside of me is saying that I think I should do it. So should I listen to my intrusive thoughts? Because I'm pretty sure I won't be able to find another way. So I think I'm just gonna take the plunge, and if I fall, I think it would 100% be on me. So let's see if I fall or not. Ooh, okay. I think was not a very good idea. But yeah, why not? This is again built on the same chassis that Interceptor has, so if Interceptor can do it, why not GT? This is certainly a wrong way. I don't think I should do this. You're good? Yeah, I don't know. My map's showing me this way, but this looks like certainly a wrong way. So I'm just gonna go back now on the road.
Yeah, you have to go all to get to the road trip, can't you?
So I better go back then. Yeah. Okay. No worries. Yep. I'm just happy that I made that decision here, not there. Yeah.
You manage, or do you want hand?
Oh, I'll try. Can you push it back? Yeah.
Can you do it?
Yep. A little bit more. Yep. I think this will do it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. Thank you. That was so stupid of me. Thank goodness to that man. But if it would have been the proper scrambler tire, that knobbly tire, and some good upright position, that could have been fun. Certainly fun. But I see myself doing some of the off-road going forward, but not on this machine, definitely. Oh, watch out. Ooh. And also I just realized that I don't have a bash plate, and any debris could just wreck my oil filter. I think that is the only thing I'm worried about the most. Oh my days. What is this place? Welcome to Chatsworth. I cannot tell you, there are so many cars queuing up for parking, and I've just got my motorbike here right in front of the entrance, which is absolutely crazy because I truly believe it. If you got a motorbike, you get a free pass in terms of parking anywhere. I'll be making my way to the other spot.
So this is Chatsworth House, home to the Duke and Duchess of Devonshire. Seeing a place like this really put things into perspective. My entire house could probably fit in one corner of the garden.
So my time to say goodbye to this beautiful view. And driving through Peak District really feels weird, you know. At one moment you are in the country lane, and in another moment you are right in front of renowned stately house. I got a little cheeky and got myself some latte and vegan sausage roll. So I'm gonna finish this with this beautiful view. I know that we have to go to Bakewell to eat Bakewell tart, but I just couldn't wait for that, and had to have some coffee and something to eat. It's already 1 o'clock. I'll finish this off with this beautiful view, and till the time you see this beautiful farm around. So I had a really good sausage roll and some of a coffee, and I'm really good to go. I know it's really hot. It's like oven in here. I can't complain because it's never too hot in England. So I also chat with this Derbyshire blood biker. They are doing a really great job. So that was Chatsworth farm shop for you guys. I've only completed 49. It's already 2 o'clock and I've got so many stops to complete. Weather is lovely and roads are beautiful. So let's go to the next stop, Bakewell, and that's the speed limit. Wow, I think this break was certainly necessary after that accidental off-road patch. That was hilarious. I'm so glad I did not went ahead with it, because I don't know, although GT would have been survived, but I'm pretty sure I don't think I'd be able to survive that. But yeah, Bakewell is just under 2.5 miles, and I really want to try Bakewell tart because it's quite famous and the shop who created that still exists. So I'll be sharing some authentic Bakewell tart for you guys, and I don't think it can get any more English than that. Ooh. So this is a clear sign that you are in Bakewell. And looks like it's not just me who decided to be here. Completely filled up, man.
After a ride through the stunning road of the Peak District, we reached the famous Bakewell Tart Shop. Right here in Bakewell, where the story of the legendary Bakewell Tart began. This family-run bakery has been serving visitors for generations and is known for preserving the traditional recipe that made the town famous. Every day, people travel from across the UK to taste the original tart made with buttery pastry, sweet jam and a rich almond filling. And when you are in Bakewell, stopping here isn't just about grabbing a dessert. It's about experiencing a piece of local history.
So here we are in Bakewell and finally found a spot where I can eat this. I'm pretty sure there's a law which says if you are in Bakewell, you should definitely try or definitely have Bakewell pudding. But if there's not, then there's definitely need to be. Oh my god. Wow. I'm not just doing it for the camera. This is absolutely fantastic. Give me a second and I'm gonna just devour this. So I better be going before somebody kicks me out from here, because I'm pretty sure this is someone's garage. So, Bakewell done. The next important spot of the day is Monsal Head. Let's go. Beautiful road, beautiful scenery, beautiful weather. There's nothing to complain. Beautiful day, beautiful bike. Oh, I just don't want this day to end, man. Oh, interesting fact. Peak District was the first national park of the UK. Look at these stone houses, man. I think there's something, and the walls, stone walls. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but some of the walls are made back in the Roman times and they are still standing. So I just realized I have spent 20 minutes looking at Monsal Head through screen because I was setting up everything. So it's my time to enjoy the view and you guys enjoy your view. So I hope you guys enjoyed the view. It's my time to leave. Now we are going to Eyam village. So hop on. See you on the roads. That's Monsal Head for you guys. So I'm entering the Eyam historic village and I am already amazed with the entry and with the houses here. Like, wow. I'm just in awe. I just couldn't find any parking, so I just parked right outside this church. I hope I'll be okay. So I am at this Eyam village church. You know why this church is very important? Back in 1665 there was a plague outbreak, and when that plague reached Eyam, instead of fleeing, the villager isolated themselves to stop it spreading. Many never survived, but their decision protected thousands of others. Standing here makes all your problem a bit smaller, isn't it? So let's go to Eyam. Just 15 miles away, and it's gonna be picturesque. So bye bye to Eyam village. It's very underrated, so not many tourists here, which I found very good, because look at these houses, man. It just makes me think how the world would have been like in 1666. That story really humbled me. So, but yeah, let's get to our next destination. Nice and easy. Beautiful road, beautiful people. See you in the bits.
From Bakewell, I made my way to the beautiful village of Eyam, stopping briefly at the iconic Eyam station, surrounded by some of the Peak District's most breathtaking scenery. The plan was simple: capture the ride through the legendary Winnats Pass, but sometimes road trips have plan of their own. Just as I was about to tackle one of the most spectacular road in the country, my GoPro decided it had seen enough and died on me. So unfortunately, Winnats Pass will have to remain a memory rather than a video. But the ride wasn't over yet. From Eyam, I headed straight towards Snake Pass, another Peak District classic, and thankfully, the camera came back to life. So sit back, enjoy the sweeping bends, open moorlands, and some of the best road this national park has to offer. So this is Snake Pass, man. How did you like the Snake Pass? This morning when I came out, I thought that I'll be ticking off my promise to myself doing the Snake Pass, but I truly believe it was much more than that. I really stopped capturing anything and I started experiencing it, and my helmet is completely caked. I'm really sorry if the footage is not right, because I believe the GoPro is also caked with all the bugs that are flying. I would say my vision is reduced by 20% because there are so many flies died on my visor. So I better stop somewhere and clean it up because it becomes more hazard. Here we are, Lady Power Reservoir. So here it is, the Derwent Reservoir.
Isn't this cool, man? Wow. This was the place where Royal Air Force pilot trained here before the dam busters raid in World War II. It's strange how many stories are hidden in places that seem so peaceful. So this was the last stop. Let's get going. It's already 8 o'clock. So I'll be going back in the circle. So I'll probably be looping in everything that we have visited today and then heading home.
So, is this the best route through the Peak District? Honestly, I think it might be one of them. It had everything. The famous roads, the viewpoints, the history, the unexpected moments, and apparently a surprise off-road section I definitely wasn't prepared for. But looking back, that part sums the day up perfectly, because the things you remember most aren't always the things you plan. They are the wrong turns, the conversations with strangers, the moment where things don't go exactly how you expected. Those are the stories that stay with you. I came here looking for great roads. I left with something better than that. A reminder that the best rides aren't about getting from one place to another. They are about everything that happens in between. The Peak District gave me plenty of that. This was part 1. Next time, we are heading deeper into the peaks to tackle Cat and Fiddle, Lutz Church, Buxton, and some roads I've wanted to ride for a very long time. I'll see you there.